Okay, so before making this video, I recorded 33 minutes of footage of me doing campaign, and there was no audio. So I spent 33 minutes of my life, at least it was fun 33 minutes, but I had to spend 33 minutes of it making videos to nobody. So that was fun. Anyways, today we are messing around Sandbox. That's my friend if he wants to get on. He might come on later. Give me a second. Yummy. Anyways, ask my friend if he wants to get on. We'll see if he comes on later. Water! My knees. But, I got a few mods. And, yes. So, we're gonna be destroying stuff for no unprovoked. This looks like some very nice sand. It would be a shame if somebody messed it up. Didn't work. Let's give it some of this. Yeah, so if you live under a rock and you haven't seen this game, it's called Teardown. You see the whole idea of it. It's like if Minecraft and BeamNG had a baby. So destruction. Well, the destruction part of BeamNG and car and and Minecraft with its pixels and stuff like that. Also, BeamNG's modding Minecraft's too had a baby. So the whole idea of this game is they give you maps and we get to destroy everything. And it's super fun too. Plus you can get a bunch of mods so you can do stuff like oh, so you can do stuff like that. This did no damage. We need more. Anyways, so you can do stuff like that. But this game is pretty fun. Costs money, obviously. How much money does it cost? Check Steam. That's what I gotta tell you. Anyways, so today we are blowing things up for completely unprovoked because it's fun. And you can't do this stuff in real life, so how about do it in a game? Now, even though this game is super fun, there are little things. For example, this whole structure is being held up by these, like, 15 pixels here. Which is probably not realistic. But every game comes back with its drawbacks, you know? For example, it probably isn't realistic that I can summon pianos from the sky. Oh yeah, look, the whole building fell down. One of the parts that they didn't take from Minecraft is no physics. So they added physics. That's fun. By the way, if you want to know what these mods are called, I am not leaving them in the description, because I might as well give you my mods list later. But, they're not that hard to find on the page, except for one of them. If they are hard to find, I'll give you the link to them. But most of them you'll find easily, especially because they're featured mods. Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Oh, thank you! Oh, I'm tired. I gotta lay down real quick. Hang on, wrong button. I gotta lay down real quick. Oh. Oh, what? Am I that fat? Uh-huh. There we go. I'm not fat, am I? You too! Her! And you! Her! 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 I'll give you a chance. Just hold me. Hang on. I laid down wrong on you. My neck. One more chance. Okay, you better do it right. Ah, oh, thank you. Thank you very much. So kind of you. Feels nice. Anyways. Bop. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Gonna drive the car. I'm gonna use my favorite item in the game. Nitroglycerin. It's like explosive glucose. That's a mohawk. Very nice. Dang, it just broke through the floor. I wonder why. Alright, I wonder how. Alright. Vehicle thruster. Eh, who needs brakes? Did this on a van once. Dang! Dang, boy! That's fun. Ah, time to go to sleep. Did my job for the day. Ah. Dang it, I broke the bed. I'm going to sleep in mom and dad's bed. Looks comfortable. Notice this comfortable? Nitroglycerin, baby! Big boom! Yup! Yo, what was that? My neck went through the ceiling. That's fun. Peculiar. Very nice indeed. Push it in. Nice. Got a home theater in here? No voxels were harmed during the production of this movie. Good to know. Oh, hello, my friend. Hello. Say hello to the 5 people who are probably going to be watching this video. Or in the future if I get popular to like the 10,000 or more.
Hello. My name is your mom.
Oh, yes, yes, indeed. That's my,
My name is your mom. No one asked. Anyway.
Of course, we had to pull up with voice mod.
Oh.
Space car!
Oh.
Thing.
You weren't pointing at which one?
Apple!
Wait, I got a new home for you.
Wait a minute.
This is your new home. Here, crawl inside. No, yeah, just crawl inside there.
Ooh! Tasty.
Oh.
Why is the wood having? Why is the dirt having? This?
Wait, did you just see that?
No, I didn't see it because
oh.
Why are you so glowy? That's my question. Why is everything so shiny too? This looks like a Minecraft Maker Pack, brother. All right, but I'm Team Samsung.
Wait, why does it look so good on your screen?
Because I have cool big computer.
I also do, bro. I think I don't have my graphics all the way up.
Oh, yes, indeed.
I need to turn my graphics. Oh, I just smashed it. I just smashed into a floor.
Oh!
Nathan, I don't feel so good. My knees hurt.
I just got crushed by a tree. Dang. I just got killed by a tree. Whee!
No.
Oh, I broke through a window by accident. Colton,
Hmm?
I'm coming. Give me a second. I just hit my head on a metal pole. Hang on, I'm totally Team Samsung, so we have to destroy all of this.
Wait, is that nitroglycerin?
No, wait, not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. It's gonna be so much.
Oh. Oh.
My friend. Oh dang! My
Yeah.
PC. My computer. Oh,
Yeah.
my PC. You just teleported a table. Oh, my computer is dying. I'm at 10 frames. Oh, Waco.
Well, this map isn't that bad. I just don't want to play it that much. Alright, anyways. That usually plays like that. It's really annoying. So here's
This feels like a what's it called? This feels like a Nico's next spots map.
Fred's a chill guy, you know. Anyways. Oh, do you like the TV we have in here? Do you like what we're playing right here?
Ah, I just got flashbangs. Oh.
How dare you?
I think it's... Oh wait, hang on. What is this map?
Oh, we have to get money. Wait, how do we get money to unlock this thing? Wait, dude. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got money.
Wait, what? No, don't kill me because when you die, you see a bright white light. Here, let me show you what it looks
Oh,
like.
I noticed that. No, I'm already.
So yeah, that's what it looks like.
Oh, I'm okay.
I can revive you.
Yo. Who's screaming at me? Oh, God.
Wait. Oh wait, button.
Zoom.
What is going on right now? Slave Osborg. 18 seconds. Dude, I just pressed the button.
Oh?
Alright,
Save
got
on Spark.
it. Hamster ball.
What is happening? Or I'm hiding in the dumpster.
Alright, well I'm hiding in the open of my hamster ball. Oh.
Finale.
So realistic.
Oh.